welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome again. So today I'm going to talk about some hair problems which we are facing during this monsoon season. First, try to simply understand what could be the reason of your hair fall, and that too during monsoon season. Because monsoon season the humidity level is like 100%, and you get so much of sweat. Because of that, the strengthening of your hair is not that strong. Now as we see so much of hair fall is happening, what we try to do, we try to change our hair products, and that's like a big no. This is not happening because of the product, the current product you're using. This is happening because of this monsoon season, this humidity season. Okay, let me give you my example. What I did is, I'll show you. Wait. Okay, let's start with oil. Okay, so I used to use Johnson Baby. I used to use Keo Carpin. Okay, these were the two hair care products which I used to use, okay, earlier. But then I got like huge amount of hair fall and I just stopped using both of them. And one more was there. It was parachute oil, coconut oil. Yes, that was also there. And I out of blue just stopped using both of them, all of them. And I just started using, this product, this brand product, which is McAfee. I just bought the whole range of this brand McAfee, and trust me, this brand just ruined my life totally. My hair was like, if the hair fall was happening, let's say around 10 or 20%, now it was happening 30 to 40%, guys. So that is what we do with us. We just try to change, our hair care products, our routine and everything, and that doesn't work at all. Maybe some of you it could help, but for me it was a huge disaster, guys. And now let me show you the shampoos I've changed recently. The very first and the very favorite of mine is Biotech, from Biotech, and this is the only shampoo which helps me and which works for me all the time. And I just used it like too much. You can see here it's almost about to complete. So I use it all the time, and I've used it all the time, but I just stopped using it because I thought that just by changing I may be gonna not get that hair fall which I'm getting, but I was completely wrong. Okay, so I ditched this product, and guess what, how much of shampoos I've changed, I'll show you. So I tried the Wella one, and guys, I don't know how people are giving so much of good reviews about this product, because this has just ruined my hair life to extent. I just hated it. I don't know, maybe it's not for my hair type or my hair, for my hair it's not at all good enough. So I tried to use it. It's not like I used it 2 or 3 or 4 times. I gave it like 5-6 shots, but every time I got like worst results. So I stopped using it, and I jumped into, which I was talking about, McAfee shampoo, guys. This again ruined my hair, and still I was not getting the point that you should not switch to shampoos one by one this way. Wait, one more to come. Okay, even more was there, but still I was not stopping. From Matrix Biotech, this one was also good. Not good means okay type. I've used it many times, but more than me, my partner uses it and he loves it, so that's why I keep it with me. Actually, he kept it with me. So all of these huge changes, I come back to my final product, my very first option. So what is the moral of the story, guys? You don't need to change your products just because you're seeing and just because you're looking at the hair fall and you're being crazy and changing your products. That's gonna ruin your life completely, and you're gonna be like, oh my god, I'm getting hair fall so much and I'm trying so much, but still it's happening. So stop doing it and just go back to your original product, which is whatsoever suits you. That is your best friend. Nobody else can change that place. Okay, remember that. So for oil, Mama was using it and she was loving it. So I thought, let me just give it a try. Why not? I can't give it a try because I tried like so many hair hair oils. So why not this? I just used it once, guys, and let me tell you, the result was wow. And hair fall was like on 0 level. Okay, I was not getting any hair fall issue after using this beauty. And I sometimes again got back to this Johnson Baby oil as well. If not this, then I use this one, and ta-da! I got my hair quality, I got my hair shining, everything, hair bounce, hair volume, so many things related to hair. I got it back just because I was not changing the hair products, and I was just keeping it simple, using the old products, and that's it. If not Keo Carpin, so I would give you 2 or 3 options which will never going to ditch you at all. So the very number 1 is parachute oil or a coconut oil. Use any coconut oil and it will never going to ditch you. Number second is olive oil. Yes, you can use olive oil also, and that will also going to help you to reduce that hair fall, and you will be wow with the results. Number three, Kyokarpin, Kesh King, or the old, the old is gold. Why we say old is gold? Because actually they works, and we just don't use it because market is providing us so many new sort of products which are we wanted to try it because that looks so good and so luxurious. भूल जाओ सब कुछ and just try to use it which you were using. बचपन में छोटे होते थे तो भी आप यही ऑयल्स और यही शैम्पू का यूज़ करते थे. Go back to that routine and hydrate yourself. Eat almonds, eat I would say almonds, walnuts. These are the two products which you have to eat. Eggs, proteins, everything, and your hair quality will be fine, and you will be fine, and you will be happy in the end. So with that so much of talking, I'm going to end this video. I hope you're gonna like this video, and I hope you're gonna subscribe my channel. And yeah, I'm gonna come back with some other tip or some experience which I've recently faced or something knowledgeable. I will be coming back with you guys. Till then, keep smiling, keep shining. Bye bye.